how to add location on a Snapchat Snap. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started right away. Now, all you basically want to do is simply just take a picture or a video, doesn't really matter. Here, you can actually add the location to your snap. So what you want to do is you want to go to that sticker icon right over there. Now, if you click on there, at the top, you can see GIF, mention, location, poll, or story. Now, obviously, you want to click on location. Here, you will see the places that are close to you that you can choose to put there. You can also type in something. So you can also just simply type in a city. So here, as you can see, you have New York City, New York, New York, New York County, New York City. So you have a bunch of these different types of locations that you can add. So if you click on New York, you can now add this to your Snapchat snap. And that is basically it. So now people can click on the location and yeah, they can find places and such. So that is basically it. I hope this super quick video helped you out. Let me know if it did, and then I will see you next time.